Aha, so we are back, ripping with the boys. I thank you for opening this video, I welcome you in, and I ask only two things of you. I ask that you stay tuned and watch until the end, and that you enjoy these cinematic shots set to some backing music that I just got done recording. Now all that's left to do before we set forth on this journey is meet up with our friends. So check your tire pressure, do some stretches, and make sure you have a full tank of gas. But as Benny would say, mileage will vary depending on rompage. Now I'm sure many of you know that the motor company recommends running only 91 or higher in these motorcycles, but times are tough right now, and I hate to say she got 87 on this day. I'll tell you guys about something scary that happened the other day also. I was taking Jay, who had just gotten his first Dyna, out to the highway to make sure that he got home safely after being initiated into the Dyna Brotherhood. I took my hands off the handlebars to put my glove on, and the bike immediately went into a tank slapper. So come to find out, I guess from the accident, my neck bearing was super out of whack. It was behaving like the neck bearing was completely shot. So we loosened everything up, and the entire bike settled down like there was something out of whack in there, and it had just been let go. So it's not in a bind anymore. We put everything back together, and she's riding better than ever. As you can see, I had absolutely no qualms about ripping. Just made a pit stop in the middle of an awesome mountain ride with the boys. Sick rippage. Kevin joining us on the Honda Davidson, aka the real Kevin, aka Honda Davidson Kevin. Y'all have seen Benny's unwide glide. Benny, how's she running?
Running wonderful today.
Pretty stout.
Yeah.
Seems like you're hauling fucking ass. After ripping through the hills, we hit Waldo's, our local spot, for some extra crispy wings, which Kevin handled very well. He was a strong boy and was not sensitive to the heat of them at all. We concluded the first successful ride back with the boys since I dropped my helmet while I was in it. I tried to do a 40-mile-per-hour head spin, a high-speed chiropractic adjustment. So to those of you who stayed until the end of the video, this is the part where I get sappy and I talk about how great it is to be able to ride with my friends again. Any of you who have the same sickness as me know what it means to be able to do it and enjoy it and not be in horrible pain. I know that our loved ones probably hope that the spills keep us off of two wheels, but it makes us enjoy it only that much more. I can't wait to release a couple videos on these bike builds that we have in Benny's garage, his performance bagger, as well as a shovel head chopper. In the meantime, as we always say, ride loud, die proud.